Let's go get him again.
This one right here, oof. I did a test drive video on this off a sample, and immediately after I drained that sample, I was missing this release. So off that strength, this is my very first full bottle purchase of the Chopard collection. It was an immediate buy, Miel d'Arabie. This thing is crazy bonkers good. This box is heavy. This is going to be a beautiful bottle. I've seen pictures on Google, and I can't wait to unbox this one on bottle alone. Let's go. Fragrance family, welcome to the Robe Zoe channel. I'm your host, Mark. Today we're unboxing and kind of not really giving a first impression because I had a sample of this about a month back. So you can go check out that video if you want to. Pause on this one, go on that test drive video, and that will be my very first impression on this one. That sample was a big one. It was like those huge Hermes Essence ones. I think they're 2.5 or 3 mils. They're fairly big, and yeah, off the strength of that, I was missing the fragrance after I drained it. So Miel d'Arabie, a honey-based release from Chopard, 2018 release. So I'll throw the card up for the test drive to make it easy for you guys. I'll do that right now. But I'm very happy today to get a full bottle of this and see what this is all about again. And happy to have this in my collection. Just to give you a Cole's notes of that test drive, this is a honeyed pomegranate tea-based release. Awesome. Awesome release. Let's unbox it. I'm actually not ready for this bottle. Are you guys? This thing is gorgeous. This box has a lot of detail to it that you won't see on camera, but beautiful. Let's do this. Oh, look at that. You got you got a booklet, a thick booklet of talking about that collection. I'll read that later because I'm excited. Comes in a pouch. All right, decent. We got like a nice little pouch for it, a velvet pouch. This bottle is heavy. It is very heavy. And from the Chopard collection, Miel d'Arabie. Look at that. Look at that emerald, green, gold accents. Yeah, I'm a sucker for a nice bottle. This is going to look good on Instagram. Cap, it's got some weight to it. Not the heaviest cap in the game. Let's go strip. Nothing on it. Let's remind me of this juice because, again, I've smelt it before. Good atomizer on this one. Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's nice. Yeah. So, again, I'm going to say exactly what I said in test drive. Blended to perfection by the nose, Maurice. I hardly say those words together in a sentence, but you got to give the nose its due here. Honey is primary on this one. It's not dense. It's not super syrupy. It's not too sweet. This thing has a lot of spices and herbs back in it. A very interesting combination. The scent almost comes off green, just like the bottle. There's carrot seed in here. There's cypress. Pomegranate is right front and center now. Absolutely beautiful pomegranate note in here. I'm trying to remember the last time I smelled pomegranate in a fragrance. It's probably been a while. But it has this tea vibe. It really has like a dry tea leaf because it's very herbal. A lot of spices. It almost feels like you're just about to make that tea. The blend on point. Beautiful scent. Absolutely unique. You know, those are a lot of things that, you know, when I spend mega dollars, there's some things that need to be simple and great. Like a Spiritueuse Double Vanille, very simple vanilla-based scent. There's not complexity, but it's just on point. This is the complete opposite of that. You know, like a Jubilation 25 by Amouage. Fragrances like that have, how can I say it? They got sections to them. And this one has it. And I've never seen Maurice do something like this, ever, honestly. That's honest truth. It has so many different characteristics. The tea brings you one place. The herbs, you cannot really pinpoint, but the mashup is so well done. That little bit of that pomegranate, a little bit of splash of that. Absolutely beautiful. The honey, not too sweet. Again, would I like more honey? Maybe, but I think it would take away from the actual blend of this fragrance. It's just gorgeous. Muddiest just killed it. Killed it. I'm so happy with this release. I'm happy to have it in my collection. This bottle's gorgeous. Pricey stuff, hard to find, hard to sample, to be quite honest. But once you have it in your hands, I haven't smelt much from this line, but this one is a standout. I had to get it. So from the Chopard collection, Miel d'Arabie. Again, not my first sniff of it. Happy to have it in my collection. It's one of those that went into the must-have pile and absolutely just leapfrogged a whole bunch of great fragrances, and I just got it. Very hard to find, so I had to get it immediately. Now that you heard my take, I'd love to see yours in the comments below. If you have smelt this fragrance or anything from this collection that you think is a standout, please let us know, because there's not much talk on YouTube on this line, and I'm blessed to have a bottle of this. As always, a greater pour fragrance will make a lasting impression. Choose your scent wisely. Thanks for watching, YouTube. Have a good one.